welcome back to the channel. In today's video we look at that Karinear double ceramic hob. The beauty of this hob is that it could be portable, you could take it anywhere you want or use it as a freestanding hob, or it could also be inbuilt. So without further ado, let's see what's inside. Okay, so it looks like we have a manual and some fittings. So voila, this is what we have, guys. So as I mentioned earlier, guys, we have a manual. Use a manual to tell you what it is you can do or how to do it, and also tells you here, guys, for the applicable cookware. The beauty of this hob, as I said, that you can literally use everything apart from plastic on it, so it's not anything specific. And the beauty is that you can actually use your cast iron pots if you have them. So I think this is absolutely brilliant. And then we have here, we have some brackets to fix your hob if you're inserting this in the worktop. And we have some feet, rubber feet, to use this as a freestanding hob. So for this instance, guys, we are going to be using it as a freestanding hob. In the later future, we might be able to insert this in our van conversion. However, nonetheless, guys, without further ado, let me put the feet on. Voila, it's all done, guys. You can see the feet are now screwed on. It was literally as simple as taking 1 minute, one posi drive screwdriver and screwing the feet in. And as you can see now, we're nicely raised off the top. There's plenty of space there for the airflow, and because we have a really nice chunky cable, and I like that. The cable's got plenty of room to come out from underneath, so your hob is nice and flat. Let's have a look how long the cable is. Okay, so there we have it, guys. That's approximately 1 meter, which is about standard. So technically, okay, it should be more than enough for you to plug it in whatever you need to plug it into. The beauty of that, because it is, guys, already have a plug on the end of it, you don't have to worry about electrician. So if you do choose to inbuild this in your kitchen, it's absolutely perfect because you just plug and play. It is super compact, so if, again, it's one of those things, guys, if you're slightly limited in the space in the kitchen, it's absolutely brilliant. So well done to them for designing it this way. So the next thing is, guys, let's have a closer look at the functions. So, guys, this is a close-up of the hob. First thing, I wanted to let you guys know that you can operate either the side of this hob with the different wattage or different temperatures, which is absolutely brilliant. And the beauty of this as well, that the power temperature ranges between 93 degrees Celsius to 427 degrees Celsius, which is 200 Fahrenheit to 800 Fahrenheit. And in wattage, we're talking about 200 watts to 1800 watts, which is absolutely brilliant. So without further ado, let's get it plugged in. Here we go. So let's go with this side here, guys. We have on and off button. So press that. Okay, so pressing a function button and it automatically goes to 1000 watts. We have a plus and minus buttons to control, okay, the wattage. So it goes to 1800 and then we go lower down to go all the way down, which is, I think, absolutely brilliant to be able to control that super easily. Okay, if we hold the function button for 3 seconds, okay, we are now swapping to the temperature. And again, the same way, guys, we can control our temperature in Celsius, okay? I think it's super important and super great to be able to have this as an option, okay? I think we're all used to having temperatures that to some people, having the wattages might not indicate what it is they capable of doing. However, here is great to have both. At the same time, guys, as well, if you look through the functions, okay, you have a preset temperatures for your options. For example, stir fry, if I just swap that back to function 2 watts, so it's set to like 1400 watts. If you swap this again, say go fast heat, it goes to 1600 watts. So if you want to boil your water really quickly, you can. Obviously, you can top it up to 18 whilst you're there. So this is what we have, guys, basically here. Again, you have the, as I said, the minus button as well. We have a timer. So you can preset your timer, so however many minutes that you guys want, and then you have your child lock, which you press here for 3 seconds and it will activate a child lock. Turning it off. And you can see here as well, we have now saying hot surface to indicate to me that the surface is hot, so we should not be touching it. So guys, now let's test it and let's boil some water. I've got a saucepan here. It's always advisable, guys, to pick your saucepans and frying pans to fit the ring to maximize the energy, so you don't waste this energy heating up something that's not basically there. So let's put this now on the top function. Let's go for our 1800 watts and we'll see how quickly it boils that. So guys, here we are. Within a couple of minutes we are done. So we just turn this off now. Okay, I'll put this aside. Okay. So when it's on, it glows red. Obviously, guys, when you turn it off, it dies down, comes down. And there is a warning still to tell you guys it is hot. It is written there at the top and it will go round. And the bottom, like I showed you, to tell you that the item is hot. So let me just unplug that quickly. Just hopefully you can hear me a little bit better. So anyway, guys, this is literally as simple as that. And as I said the key points and the beauty of this one specifically is the option to change between the wattages and the temperatures. And the fact is that you already have your preset things, like which I haven't told you, but you have your options here for melt, for simmer, for steam, boil, fry, roast, stir fry, and fast heat. So you have plenty of options there, which is already preset. So if you're kind of new to this kind of hob, to this kind of equipment, that is a helping hand there for you to guide you through that. So on and all, guys, I'm pretty happy. It's very sturdy. The beauty of that as well, that you have a metal all the way around. I know some appliances, and we'll cover this before in a different video, some appliances have plastic edges, and I think somewhere where we have something that it gets really hot, and especially if you're going to be inbuilt in it somewhere, it's very, very important to be able to have metal, so obviously it's not going to melt and it's going to protect all your surrounding cupboards, whatever you're going to insert this into. All in all, guys, it looks pretty snazzy. It's because it's a smooth glass, obviously it's easy to wipe, and it's advisable that you do wipe any spills after cooking, which is normal. You do this with the hobs anyway, just to keep this pristine, nice and kind of new looking all the time as we like it. And that's that, guys. So anyway, well, hopefully enjoy the video, find this helpful. I've put all the link down below with the discount code as well, and well, thank you for watching, guys, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye.